Hi and welcome to this week's update. Just a few updates for you this week. So the first one on the agenda is the puppy tutorial boxes. So the boxes are going to be posted out to you this week, so keep an eye on your mailbox. I'm sure you'll agree it's an adorable project, and I hope you enjoy creating it as much as I am. I'm already planning March's tutorial, and so what I'll be doing is what I usually do is add a poll to the Facebook groups and the online community, and this time what I'll do is I'll also add one for the newsletter as well. And so you have probably it's going to be a slightly shorter time for voting this time round. So you've got until Friday the 7th of March to cast your votes, and you can select as many options as you like. You can even add your own. The most popular choice will be the next tutorial, and if there's a tie, then we'll do what we did, I think it was the other month, a couple of months ago, when we had a tie between, I think it was the cat and the donkey. So I put the vote out again, and so if that happens, that's what I'll do, and save the popular one from that second vote if needed. That will be the tutorial for March. And then what that does is that gives me a chance to source all of the contents for the box in a timely fashion, and to get the the tutorial filmed, and then it can all be done before it's all sent out to you. So you'll see the poll in the Facebook groups, the online community, and in the newsletter as well. So the monthly art challenge, February's art challenge is still open. So it's that really cute red panda. You've got until midnight this Friday the 28th of February to submit your entries. So you can upload your artwork either via the dedicated posts on the two Facebook groups. So that's the subscription box group, and the other one is the Paws and Pencils art business page group. That's my business page. So you can upload on there. There's also, if you're a member of the online community, you can also upload in the monthly art challenge section on the hub, and I'll also post a link on the newsletter as well. And the winner for that will be, for the February challenge, will be announced this Saturday the 1st of March, and that person will win a mystery art prize. So that will come out to you in a style of a box, and there'll be some art equipment in there for you. And then I'll also be launching March's challenge on the same day, so stay tuned. Okay, so I've been doing the animal Zentangle tutorials for the past 3 weeks. So we've done the butterfly, the turtle, and then last week we did the macaw. So I hope you're really enjoying them. I'm enjoying creating them. I know they can be quite long, but you don't have to complete them in one go. It's just purely for me to film it all and then add it onto the channel, and then you can go at it at your own speed. So just work on them whenever the mood strikes. This week I'll be filming and uploading a frog Zentangle tutorial to my YouTube channel. So if you've not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to receive a notification when that video is ready. So the next on the agenda is the Pencil Perfect course. So I'm continuing writing and filming the lessons for that course. It's going really well, and I can't wait to share it with you all. This foundation course is included in the Animal Art subscription box membership, which is currently £18 per month. So if you'd like to have access to the course, and if you want access to the course, then you'll need to subscribe to the Animal Art subscription box. You'll also get full access to the online community as well, so everything, full access to that. So any of the tutorials, any of the resources, you'll have full access. And so if you'd like to subscribe, I'll include the link in the newsletter, and you can also find it in the Facebook group as well. Okay, so this final section is to do with the Art Wellbeing Box. So you will have received a few emails in the past few days. One of them was launching the wait list, and then there was a couple of follow-on emails as well. So the Art Wellbeing waiting list closes tomorrow, and the doors will officially open to actually sign up and purchase the box membership at the end of the week. So everyone who is currently on the waiting list to buy the box, sorry about that. So everyone who is on the list, they will get the link to sign up for the box, and they will also get the membership early bird price of £20 a month, which is locked in for the duration of their membership. And as part of the as a thank you for signing up, there are also a few bonuses included in the first box as well. So if you want to take advantage of this offer, be sure to sign up for 10 p.m. on Wednesday the 26th of February, so that's tomorrow. And then when the doors reopen later, so if you do miss this wait list, you'll end up missing the link for signing up at the £20 a month. So when it does open later on, then it will be at the price of £25 a month. So I think it's a really good deal. You get everything that I showed you in the box from last week's video. So if you want to have a reminder, then you can either look at the other emails that I've sent out, or you can have a look at the unveiling section of the video update from last week. So you've got all of your wellbeing products in there. You've also got the art materials in there. The bonuses you're going to get, there's 2 free art gifts. There's going to be a mini series of Zentangle tutorials as well for you, so that's going to be extra to the actual usual monthly one you'll get. So you're going to get like a mini series as well. So I'll share the link for the waitlist in all the relevant places, so like the newsletter, the Facebook groups, and the online community. But if you've got any questions about the membership itself, please feel free to ask in the Facebook groups. You can private message me. You can either message me as well in the online community, or by replying to the newsletter when I send it out to you. So as I said, check out last week's update video for a preview of the box contents, and the items do change each month. So that's all from me this week, and wishing you a creative and inspiring week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.